Activating a Tracfone with Straight Talk involves three key steps: unlocking your phone if necessary, ensuring you have a compatible SIM card, and transferring your number if desired. Most newer Tracfone phones are factory unlocked for Verizon's network. For older models, contact Tracfone support for a free unlock code if eligible. Straight Talk uses standard nano SIM or eSIM cards. Ensure your phone supports LTE 5G bands, particularly band 13 for Verizon. You'll need a Straight Talk SIM kit and an active plan. Number transfer involves getting a port authorization code from your old carrier. Activation itself is free, though SIM kits cost $10 to $20. Key requirements include US residency. This video focuses on the latest app-based activation processes, which have streamlined setup significantly, reducing wait times to minutes. Begin by downloading the Straight Talk app or visiting their website. Check your phone's IMEI for compatibility. If transferring a number, have account details from previous provider ready. The app guides you through SIM insertion or eSIM activation. Number porting approvals take under 24 hours for verified accounts. If activation fails, the app's AI-driven troubleshooting resolves most issues. Common problems include incompatible IMEIs, especially with non-Verizon phones, and incorrect account information during transfer. Activation is primarily digital, reducing call center reliance. Double-check information to avoid delays. Process has 95% success rate per Tracfone reports. Expect full 5G coverage after activation.